digital integration for me is you connect data with people, with ecosystems and environments. Think about it very simply. You know, when Revit first started, people were very impressed of how it works. Mm-hmm. You know, what was the main thing behind this was that it had a cross-functional relations between its components. Mm-hmm. I don't think it was. People were impressed because of the data, because of the attributes, because of the parameter management, because at the very early stages of the BIM, that wasn't actually the focus. People recently started maturing to work on information, but very beginnings of Revit was not that. It was that components understand each other and integrate with each other, so you don't have to do something in the plan and repeat it in the section and repeat it in the elevation, but you are saving time and you are saving efforts. So integration, digital integration is now you are thinking beyond what you can save time in a tool, but you can save time and effort outside the tool. You can do that by connecting different tools together, by connecting data together, and it all should revolve around the people, the requirements, and how to deliver in an efficient way.